Huh? Bill. Uh, so, what brings you here? Well, I kind of heard you huffing and puffing like you're about to blow down some houses and shit. Uh, you're funny. It's hilarious. But, is everything okay? I mean, I know you're alright and everything, but you just seem a little down. What's going on? Well, it's about me and Q's lab. Ah, right. Sure has been a while since you've mentioned something like that. Let me guess, RJ's not doing much about it? Yep, just, he said that he'd get it done, but he's just being lazy. I know that even during the week, he's always, after coming back from school, through Monday and Friday, he's just not feeling like it every time. Even after, even after volunteering work at catering. But even during the even during the weekend, he's not even doing much. Just sitting on his phone, watching TV, not even doing anything for us. Not really doing much for us. He's just sitting there. He would do some stuff for us, but the only thing that he's mostly up for is whenever there's some family events going on. You know? Yeah. And yet he forgets that we're also family. I mean, I know we are for sure, but probably just being lazy till he's finally graduated. Finally having fun during the summertime. He's probably waiting till it's summer, I guess. What if we don't have to wait till summer? Uh, what do you mean? I'm saying, what if we go up in the attic and fix up your lab ourselves? What? Really? Yeah. RJ may do some things for us, whether he's lazy or not, but we could do things too. So, why don't we go out there and fix the lab yourself? Ourselves. You be sure about that? I mean, we're just figures. We don't really do that kind of stuff, especially other things. JJ, even when we're smaller, we still pack a punch. You know how a few different versions of me lifting up Godzilla Earth with no problem at all? Okay, you got a good point there. Exactly. So, why don't you go get Kiryu, and I'll get Kong, Rodan, and then Gears, and we'll get something set up. Sounds like a plan. But are you sure that's enough of us? I mean, don't we need more? Because what we're doing from my lab is a big work also. Still a big work. Well, let's just say for those like Ghidorah and his crew, let's just say it's very likely that one of them's going to be trouble. Yeah. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah. So, settled? Yep. I'll go get Kiryu, and we'll get something started. I'll get the other three. Let us begin. Let's.
Whew, man.
You know, last I heard, you were exhausted after getting up here from under stairs.
Well, hey, I got used to it. Besides, I've been doing some more working out.
You're already buff enough since seeing you again.
Shut up.
Oh, it'll help here. Whoa. Man, after so long of not being up here, this place sure is a disaster.
Yeah. I'm guessing they've seen better days.
But this is definitely the perfect time to fix some things. Yep. So, what do we need to do to get things started? Well, right there is where we start, huh? Gotta take some of those off. And then, here's a couple more like them to create the gate. Right. Well, let me and Kong be there to assist taking that down. Come on, Kong.
Right behind you. This is a lot heavier than I thought. You're telling me. Come on. Come on. Just get in there. Just get in there. Timber!
Damn. Yeah, I know. Could have asked for some help. I mean, like I said, this is a big job. Yeah, well, it's nothing me and Kong can't handle. Ain't that right?
I'm just warming up.
Okay, so now that this thing's brought down to its side, what's next? Well, we're gonna have to take the lids off first before taking one out of the other. Right. Done. Kong and I will get the first one out, and then Rodan and Anguirus will do the second, and then so on and so forth. Ready, Kong?
Ready when you are.
In case you forgot, I'm more of a flyer rather than a muscle type of guy.
Shut up, Bogdan.
You shut up.
Okay. Come on, just keep going. Just keep on going.
God damn. I should probably watch those videos where he lifted up Godzilla Earth. You'd be surprised.
Okay. Now I just gotta stand it up. Yep, I got you, G. Come on. Almost there. Almost there. Now to push it to the side a little.
Tell me about it. Whew. Howard and Gears, Rodan. Got the second one out. How about get the third? Oh boy. My arms are definitely gonna be sore for a while. I'm not gonna be able to fly anytime soon. But quit being a baby or just get to work. Shut up. Oh man. Sweaty. Yeah, a little bit. But it's nothing compared to what I've done in the movies and shows. Well, one show. You know. Yeah, I know. You know, I gotta admit, it was actually a pretty good idea. Never really thought about ourselves working to do this. Well, I may be a robot, but don't know why I didn't really think of this before. Why? Even the most advanced forget some things. Believe me. So, it's not your fault. Just happy to help. Yeah. I appreciate it. Huh? Are you even lifting? Of course I'm lifting. I'm not made to do this kind of thing. Of course he'd be struggling. Let me help. But you sure about that? I mean, you haven't done this kind of thing. The only thing that you kind of lifted up was Geigen. Yeah, true, but I want to do some. I want to help out. If you say so. Come on, Kong. Let's get the other one out. R. Here, let me help. You sure about that, JJ? I'm sure. Come on, lift. Ready? Come on. Come on. Come on. Almost there. I don't know how much longer I could be under here. Just hang on there, and Gears. Just hang on there. Might wanna hurry up. I don't know how much longer I can keep this grip. Oh God. No. I'm gonna scream. Oh no, Jenny, just hang on. No, hang on. Huh? Oh God, JJ! Oh God. JJ, you okay? Yeah, I'm alright. Okay. Oh boy. I am so sorry. What did you do? I didn't mean to. I couldn't keep grip. I told you I'm a flying type of guy, not a muscle type of guy. You still could have held it. Shut up, Gears. Just shut the fuck up. Well, JJ, can you feel anything? Well, not any pain, kinda, but I don't think I can feel my legs. Oh, fuck. What? What is it? Something happened? Just don't look at your legs. Rodan! What? Try to help. What? Why? What's wrong with my leg? Nothing. Just don't worry about it. But why the fuck did Rodan say not look at my legs? Just don't look at your legs. Mechagodzilla! It's Kiryu. I don't care! You know what? I'm looking to see what happened. Well, let me know when it's done. since you're still new in this group in some ways, I'm gonna advise you to cover your ears. 2 hours later. JJ? JJ? Jaguar? Welcome back. We were worried sick about you. Well, what happened? Well, after you screamed loudly, well, you passed out. Big time. And if Kong hadn't covered his ears, it would have been death. Well, but glad I took it quickly. And I also wanted to say that sorry that I lost grip and that you got chopped in half. Should have kept my grip longer, but well, then it's all good. It's all good. It happens a lot. Wait a minute. Why am I in this singular point design? It sucks. Well, now will you excuse me? I'm gonna go on a Dorito break. Well, you see, we had to get you switched to this design so that your other, more favorable design would get repaired. Repaired? Well, how long will it even take? Because even without without my lab, it would take probably like a week. Well, thanks to your lab getting brought back, it'll take less than that. Come with me. What? Okay. The Jaguar, check out your lab. Oh my god. Yep. All complete. Everything's pretty much the same, except with a few things. Especially this one. Wait, what? Welcome, member of Godzilla and GDF. Well, it may be a little slow at first, and it's still getting worked on, but it'll get there. Now, come on. Yo, Key. I see that you're finally awake, or online again. Yeah, kinda had a bad sleep. How long was I even out? Forgot to ask. About 2 hours. Damn. It's no big deal. What is that? Is that their own repairman room? Yep. As you can see, your old design and favorable is getting repaired. Soon it'll be functional again. It'll take less than a day for it to be done. What, really? Told you. You said less than a week. Yeah, well, I wanted to surprise you. Well, thanks. And how long will this take? I mean, what do I do now? Do I just sit and wait? Yeah. Just sit here and wait. Well, alright then. Well, Now, if you excuse me, I have some things to do now that this lab is fixed. Yep. Well, welcome back to the lab. Your lab. Thanks. Well, I'll be seeing you around when I'm up here, or whenever you're down. Alrighty. Hey, G. Huh? Hmm? I just want to say thanks for getting my lab fixed again. Anytime, Jay. Anytime. I'll do anything for the first robot friend I made. First robot made. First robot friend ever made. Again, if I had tears. It's good to be back here. Well, I'm still welcome down there.